Dear students, welcome to Study and Learn Academy. I am Dr. Ganapat Nagda, and today we will start a new chapter, Matter and its Composition, of Class 9th Chemistry, ICSE Board. So let's start. Matter. Everything in this universe is made up of matter. A matter is defined as any substance that has mass, occupies volume, and may be perceived by the senses. In other words, objects that take up space and have mass are called matter. All physical objects are composed of matter in the form of atoms, which are composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Exceptions: phenomena like heat, electricity, light, sound, magnetism, vacuum, shadow are not considered as matter because they have no mass and do not take up space. Matter can be classified into two ways. First, on the basis of physical state. Second, on the basis of chemical constitution. Properties of matter. A matter is made up of tiny particles. These particles have space between them and they attract each other. Matter occupies space and has volume and mass. Characteristics of particles of matter. The particles of matter are very small. The particles in the matter have spaces between them. The particles in the matter attract each other. The particles in the matter are moving in nature. Brownian movement. The continuous zigzag movement of tiny dust particles suspended in a fluid result from their collision by the fast moving particles of fluid. This haphazard or random motion of particles is known as Brownian motion. Example: when pollen grains are kept in water, they start moving. This is because of collision of water particles with pollen grains. The movement of pollen grains increases in warm water. On warming, the water particles move rapidly. States of matter and kinetic theory. States of matter. On the basis of its state, matter has been classified by the scientists into 5 states, namely solid, liquid, gas, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. The main difference in the structure of each state is in the densities of the particles. Among these states, the most common states of matter that exist around us are as solids, liquids, and gases. Kinetic theory. The kinetic theory of matter states that matter is composed of large number of small particles, individual atoms or molecules that are in constant motion. This theory is called the kinetic molecular theory of matter and the kinetic theory of gases. There are 5 known phase or states of matter: solid, liquid, gases, plasma, and Bose-Einstein condensate. Now the characteristics: solid, liquid, gases. So you can see the various characteristics of solid, liquid, and gases. Postulates of kinetic theory of matter. The kinetic theory explains the properties of different states of matter. Particles in solids, liquids, and gases have different amounts of energy. They are arranged differently and move in different ways. This theory is based on the following postulates. A matter is made of particles. The constituent particles of any given substance are identical to each other. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles attract each other with a force which depends on the state of matter and on the interparticular space. Particles collide with each other in the case of liquid and gaseous states. Total energy of the colliding particles remain the same. Particles are in a constant state of motion. Particles possess kinetic energy due to motion. On heating, kinetic energy increases and causes change in this state. Based on the kinetic theory, three states of matter have been identified: solids, liquids, and gases. Plasma state of matter. Plasma is the fourth state of matter. Plasma is similar to gaseous state. The state consists of super energetic and super excited particles in the form of ionized gases. Plasma is The plasma is produced in sun and stars because of very high temperature. The sun and stars glow because of the presence of plasma in them. The fluorescent tube and neon sign bulbs consist of plasma. The gas present inside these bulbs and tubes is an inert gas. When electricity is passed through them, the gas gets ionized and charged. This charging up creates a glowing plasma having a special color depending on the nature of gas. A highly ionized gas with an equal number of positive and negative charges in which the particles exist is super energetic and super excited state is called plasma. Bose-Einstein condensate. In 1920, the Indian physicist Satyendranath Bose made a study Based on his study, Albert Einstein predicted the fifth state of matter called the Bose-Einstein condensate. The Bose-Einstein condensate or BEC is formed by a cooling a gas of extremely low density, about 100 and thousandth of density of normal air, to super low temperatures. Bose-Einstein condensate refers to the collapse of atoms into a single quantum state. It is found at low temperatures when atoms are not able to move at all. Changes in state of matter. All matter exists as solids, liquids, or gases. These are called the states of matter. Matter can change from one state to another if heated or cooled. If ice, a solid, is heated, it changes to water, a liquid. This change is called melting. If water is heated, it changes to steam, a gas. This change is called boiling. The particles of ice, water, and steam are identical but arranged differently. Now the key definitions. Melting point, fusion, the temperature at which solid melts to become a liquid at the atmospheric pressure. It indicates the strength of the force of attraction between particles. Kinetic energy proportional to temperature. Thus, heating causes the particles to become more agitated. The order arrangement of the solid breaks down and a change in physical state occurs. Boiling point. When liquid particles acquire enough energy to break free from the forces of attraction, they change into the vapor state. The temperature at which a liquid starts boiling at the atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. As the temperature of a liquid is raised, the velocity of the particle increases. The collisions eventually become so great that the particles break all intermolecular forces, begin moving independently between collisions, and a change in physical states occurs. Now the next is freezing point. The constant temperature at which a liquid turns into solid by giving out heat energy is called a freezing point of that liquid. The process of change of matter from liquid state to solid state is called freezing or solidification. When temperature decreases, kinetic energy is converted into heat energy, which is released. Particles now move closer. Interparticle space reduces and change of state occurs. Evaporation. The phenomenon of change of liquid into vapor at any temperature below its boiling point is called evaporation. It is a surface phenomenon. It causes cooling. When liquid particles gain kinetic energy, the particles move faster, resulting in an increase in interparticular space and decrease in attraction between particles. The particles with negligible interparticle force escape as a gas or vapor from the surface of the liquid. Condensation or liquefaction. Process of change of state from gaseous to liquid at a particular temperature. When cooled, gaseous particles lose kinetic energy and slow down their motion. This causes the decrease in interparticle space and increase the interparticle attraction. There occurs a change in state from gas to liquid. Sublimation. A change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into a liquid state is called sublimation. Sublime solids show weak forces of attraction between particles. On heating, interparticle space increases and interparticle attraction decreases. The particles break away from other particles and escape from the surface of the solid as vapor. Now the law of conservation of mass. Statement and explanation. Mass is neither created nor destroyed in any ordinary chemical reaction. Lavoisier established the law of conservation of mass as follows. Whenever a chemical change or physical change takes place, the total mass of the reacting species reactants is exactly equal to the total mass of the products of the reaction. Examples: the experiment verification of law of conservation of mass is done in a specially designed tube called Landolt tube. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you very much. Goodbye.